Alright, what is up guys and gals? This is Brandon Coin tuning back in, and I have a little bit of a different video today. VisionTek, the graphics card manufacturer, it's December. They're doing these mystery boxes, and it's a $5 PCI Express mystery graphics card. So I had to buy one, even though I know it's probably not going to be good or anything, but I had to buy one, and it came in. And it comes in a box like this, mystery box, no warranty, as is VisionTek, like, oop, it fell out of it. I don't know, just a piece of paper or something. Anyway, I am a sucker for hardware, and I enjoy it. So $5 and to get a piece of who knows what, it was definitely worth it. So let's pop it open and see what we got. Got something old in there. And let me zoom in on it. There she is. Got a VisionTek X1550 XGE, and this is the 512 megabyte dual DVI out model. So got two DVI ports, huge copper heatsink, and this is the Extreme Gamer Edition. So I think it has a slight overclock. Yeah, and it looks pretty cool. This is a good looking card. It is PCI Express, so you can actually use it on something modern. Is it going to be good for doing any kind of gaming? Absolutely not. This came out in, like, let's see. I had already opened it up and looked at it. I do have to admit that, but let's pull up the specs here. This graphics card came out in January 2007. Holy smokes. So this thing is old. It came in a 128, 256, and a 512 megabyte version, this being the top tier. It also came in an AGP version. This one's the top tier, being a PCI Express 512 megabyte, and also having the dual DVI out. Some had single DVI with single VGA. Now, I don't currently have a system to put this in. All my systems have their permanent graphics cards that they're going to live with, but I've been thinking about building like a Windows XP era machine. So if you guys think that'd be kind of cool, please comment down below and let me know. Maybe I could put this in it. That would spearhead the build. But I was thinking about doing like a Athlon 64X2 with what, DDR2, like just a straight up like Windows XP early gaming build. Why? I don't know why, just because. Bring back a little bit of nostalgia. That's what I was gaming on in high school, was Athlon 64X2, and I didn't have a 1550. I don't remember what graphics card I had back then, but it'd be cool just to get it up and running. But this thing is, I think this is a dead stock, because it looks brand new. Like top to bottom, front to back, this thing looks brand new. So they probably had these sitting back on the shelf, and they were throwing them in boxes and getting rid of all their dead stock at the end of the year. Now if you do go on to VisionTek, they have some other boxes. They have a $10 PCI Express graphics card mystery box. I ordered that one also. It's not going to be until later. Oddly enough, it didn't get shipped out at the same time. So I'm curious to see what comes in that. Apparently that's supposed to be a little bit newer generation card, so maybe I'll get like a R7 or a lower tier R9. But always cool to get some more hardware in, and just tell me what I should do with this thing. Obviously I do want to see what this thing will make mining. I just want to see what kind of hash rates. I doubt it'll actually make any money, but I want to see if it can get any hash rates at all. And if you have any other ideas what I should do with it, just let me know. For now, I'm going to be putting it back in bubble wrap and putting it back in the box and just, I guess, collecting it. So yeah, and I will be showing y'all the $10 mystery box when it gets in. Cross my fingers. Some people have got some like really cool stuff. So one guy got like a Radeon like 4870 X2, which was like some like really expensive graphics card from yesteryear. But it looks like for the $5 box, I came out pretty good. On eBay, I think these are going for like 20 bucks, so I could probably try to resell it if I wanted to. I'd rather just hold on to it and potentially use it for now. But yeah, so guys, gals, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. This was obviously a pre-recorded video. It is premiering at my normal live time, but I will be back next week to my 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time live streaming schedule. So thank you for bearing with me while I am out of town, and I appreciate y'all. Hope y'all have a happy holidays, and adios.